Hi, Kanen Coffee here today with this Lelit Espresso machine made in Italy. We had to replace the screen gasket on this one and tune it up. We had a really bad clog coming from the shower head over here. Just want to demonstrate real quick. I'm gonna pull this one off the mount and let's run some water. Just want to show you what a really nice shower we have in here. Lots of water. And now it pulls great shots as well. So let's give it a try. Here we go. So we're using Verve coffee today. There we go. That. And I'm gonna zoom in here on the espresso so you can see it, how it pours very slowly and get really nice crema out of it. So thank you for watching and thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please comment below if you're experiencing the same problem with your machine and want to get it solved. We'll be happy to help. Thanks again.